In this video, we'll show you how to customize a ready-to-make Cricut mug project and prepare it for transfer with Cricut Mug Press. Once you're signed into Design Space, go to a new canvas and then click Projects. In the search bar, type in Personalized Monogram Mug, or use the link below. The overview screen gives you a list of the required materials and tools, including, of course, a compatible infusible ink Cricut mug blank and an infusible ink transfer sheet for this project, plus a lint roller and alcohol wipe. It's always great to have heat-resistant tape on hand too. Be sure to use the drop-down to select the size of your mug blank. Now select Customize since we'll personalize this project with our own initials. Just double-click here to open the text box, update them with your own. Now select all of the layers and then attach. And when you're ready, click Make It. Remember, this is a heat transfer, so be sure to always mirror your image so that it transfers the way you expect. Click Continue. For material, select Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet, or if you have a Smart Set dial on your machine, use the Custom setting. Use the green Standard Grip Matte and align the sheet from the top left corner. Make sure this top white line of the mat's cutting area is completely visible. Load the mat under the machine guides like this, and when you're ready, press the blinking Go button. Once your design is cut, carefully remove the sheet from your mat. Think about pulling the mat from the sheet. Then weed your design and peel off the transfer sheet, exposing adhesive tabs like this. You'll use these to affix to your mug. We'll get to that in the next video, where we'll show you how to prep your mug for the transfer using Cricut Mug Press.